So 1 star, 2 star is mostly in English, but there is one lyric in Irish that goes Dóchas fiú sa dúrchadas scá a chéile a bharanmuid. So I thought I'd explain what that meant. Dóchas is hope, so Dóchas fiú sa dúrchadas means there's hope even in the darkness. And scá a chéile a bharanmuid is like a slight turn on a nachcainte or a seanachal. Seanachal is like a turn of phrase or a proverb. So the original seanachal is scá a chéile a bharan daoine, and the literal translation is people live or people exist in each other's shade. But it's not like shade in the modern sense of like throwing shade. In this instance, I think they mean more like shelter. So you could say it means like people thrive in each other's shelter, or that we can all take care of each other. And the word I changed for the lyric of the song is I took out daoine, which means people, and swapped it for muid, which means us, just because it worked better in the lyric. So the lyric scá a chéile a bharan muid would mean we thrive in each other's shelter. I guess in most of the song there's this simple metaphor of people counting stars together, helping each other find light, find hope in the sky when it's dark. And for a moment there I kind of break with the metaphor and say it literally. Say we can help each other find hope. We can help shelter each other. Okay, slán. I mean, just to be clear, there's different ways of interpreting the same seanachal. So some people might say scá a chéile a bharan daoine just means that people are sociable. People like to be around each other. But I like the interpretation that we're sheltered by each other. Okay, for real, slán this time. Okay, bye.